start our day with the recital of Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvah Swaha Tatsavitu Barenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Namaste and a very pleasant good morning to you all. I, A.K. Prakhar, Principal, DAV Public School, Topa, CCL, Kuju area, Ramgarh, Jharkhand, on my behalf and on behalf of entire school family, heartily welcome you both, the Honorable IC members, in this school premises. Though the COVID-19 pandemic has restricted us all to be at distant places, and thus deprived us to be in close association with you all and get your valuable suggestions and share ideas. But then we are here through this videography, and I welcome both the dignified stalwart principals of this educational field, Madam A. Lata Maheswari, Principal, the Indian Public School, Erode, Tamil Nadu as IC1, and
Madam Inderpreet Bumrah, Principal, St. Cecilia's Public School, Bikaspuri, New Delhi.
Ma'am, as you know, this school, DAV Public School, Topa, was established in the year 1995 by our Apex Managing Office, DAV College Trust and Management Society, in collaboration, being inspired by the ideology of Swami Dayanand, started this school to impart quality education to the kids of this locality in general and the tribal coal miners in particular, in collaboration with Central Coalfield Limited India, and from there till it's in 26th year we are striving hard to impart quality education and eradicate social evils. This is our parking area. Here we park our school buses and four-wheelers of the visitors. Now, keeping COVID-19 protocols in view after proper thermal screening and sanitization, now I enter into school premises and ask my cameraman to show the guard room at gate. Again we have parking area. For two-wheelers and all. Genset for power supply. Now I ask my cameraman to move along the boundaries of the school. From gate we are moving along south direction. This is 10 feet high wall, and above it we can see 2 feet high cased grills. All four sides of the walls are being painted with different postures and activities of sports and games, aerobics, especially painted by art teacher in association with wellness teacher, a special educator, PTI. Now we are moving towards east direction along the boundary. This is our pump house with electric motor for the supply of running water to be used in school premises. And now we are moving towards north direction along the boundary. It reaches up to the back of the building, and the north wall of this boundary is in the back of school building. This is our volleyball court. Just adjacent to it, we have tennis court. These are the drums to be used in march past, assembly, etc. This is a huge tree inside our school premises, and it's a favorite haunt for the students. They generally sit here and take meal during recess. Sometimes they sit with their subject teachers, discuss and share their ideas for creative and innovative work. Now I ask my cameraman to move towards assembly ground. This is our stage from where we start our day during regular school. Have a front view of the school building. This assembly ground provides us a suitable platform to communicate our day-to-day information, essential messages, felicitation ceremony, and many other activities, co-curricular activities and other things, news reading. This is display board welcoming our dignified members. Now we are entering in our school building. This is a ramp. It has been especially made as per the provisions of CBSE for the use of Divyang one. Beside it, we have this staircase through which we will be entering in our school building. This is foundation stone laying, showing the school was, this building was started in the year 1995. Now we have display boards. These are the wall displays. As we know, wall displays are an important part of any school. It makes the campus more inviting and attractive. It's informative and creates a better learning environment. It keeps us giving day-to-day information and brightens up the atmosphere. The artistic works are beautifully expressed here. Now I ask my cameraman to move towards different laboratories. This is our computer lab of this school. Now I take the cameraman to physics laboratory. This is our physics lab. Now I take the honorable members to our chemistry lab. Now we are moving towards our bio lab. Now we are moving towards our maths lab. This is library of our school. It occupies an important place in our school. It's main knowledge resource center for the students. Our librarian, Mr. A.K. Sinha, is at work. This is boys' toilet of this floor. Wash basin with running taps. Water purifier, especially for the boys who take drinking water from here. Now we are in girls' toilet. Wash basin for girls with running water. Water purifier for girls to take drinking water. Again we have fire extinguisher here in corridor. Our school has fire extinguishers at all prominent places. In the main gate, near generator area, physics lab, chemistry lab, bio lab, computer lab, power control area, library, and even in corridors. We are extremely sensitive towards the safety and well-being of our students. Now we are entering one of the classrooms for secondary classes. It is 9B. Now we are entering in proposed classes for 11th Commerce. It's specified for 11th Commerce, and we are fully geared up for the commencement of these classes from the next session. Now we are entering in proposed classes for 11th Science. This is sick room. When students complain of their stomach pain, headache or any physical inability, they are advised to take rest here. Mrs. Minati Latapati is our health and wellness teacher. As a subject teacher takes care of his academic subject, the wellness teacher shapes a child's health and wellness and teaches them how to make healthy lifestyle. She is having her own wellness policies and programs for our school. Miss Sipra is our special educator. Her responsibility is to teach and interact with the children who have different disabilities. She is especially trained to deal with the learning disabilities, speech or language impairments, as well as visual impairments. Now we are entering to our music room. Music is important part in our curriculum. It's our music classroom and our teacher, Mr. A.K. Dubey, is here with all musical equipment. Music is really a great stress reliever for all. Now we are entering in class 7th, one of the middle classes. Now we are entering in class 2, one from primary section, the important one for any school. This is our school office. Accountant and other clerks are at his work. Now we are entering into principal chamber. Here we have CCTV. Through this CCTV surveillance system, for the safety and security of our school, we have installed 25 CCTV cameras at different strategic points. It's help in monitoring and keeping track of activities taking place in school premises. This is the LED screen of the cameras through which every activity can be monitored very easily and closely. Well, despite having very busy schedule and with lots of other assignments, both the men have very kindly consented to inspect the school through visual mode. I am very much grateful and thankful to both the madams. At the same time, despite having all odd situations, CBSE officials have made it possible for the inspection of school through visual mode in the interest of the students for their higher study. I am thankful to the CBSE officials also. Once again, thanking you all. Thank you very much.